Hey guys, what's going on? And thank you for stopping by. Today we're inside the basement where we're going to start some indoor seedlings. We did start some cold weather crops. We are in 5B, and because we're on the mountains of the peak, our season kind of gets pushed back a little bit. So we are starting a little later than most people, but that's that's what we got to do. If something I want to go encourage a lot of people that having a journal around in the homestead, not only for gardening but homestead in general. Keep a journal. Keep your journal for all your achievements, all your mistakes, everything you do. Put it down in that journal because it definitely will help you in the long run and make you, or should I say, help you be a better homesteader, gardener, DIY. Whatever you do is only going to make you better. So definitely keep that handy. So yeah, I keep it wherever I usually go and I do something new. I put it in there, date, time, what I did exactly. And if it ever goes wrong, I can always adjust it, fix it. Or if it did right and I did awesome, I'm going to stick to it. So that book helps me out a lot. But guys, let's jump in the video. Also got a special thank you to UT. I'm going to leave their name down in the description, their channel. They had sent me this package a while now, and I'm just now opening it. I wanted to wait. I wanted to do a good video and be able to shout these guys out. They're awesome. Go check out their channel. They have a lot of stuff that you can go see, from peppers, tomatoes, anything from the garden. They can show you a lot of good stuff. So go out there and go check them out. Support their channel, and definitely say that Kane sent you, and let them know that they are much appreciated and loved. Yes, go check them out. Show them some support. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this video and get some seedlings planted on, and yeah, follow me.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. I got this probably, let me see if we got the date. Got this January 26th, in the beginning of this year. I received this letter, and I've been wanting to send a shout out to them, because they have these unique peppers, man, that I never heard of. And I always wanted to try. They have the ghost peppers. They got the California Reap. They got so many different peppers, and it definitely. Oh yeah, see, wow. This is awesome, guys. This is amazing. Let me see. Said, dear friend, hope these seeds make it to you in good health and happiness. Share, grow, and save as you see fit. Not just a gift from us, but from the entire gardening community. Thanks tons for the friendship. UT 33200, Angel and Kiddos. So guys, please go check out their channel. My boiler just turned on, so if you hear the noise, sorry about that. But wow, I don't know which to open first. So this is what they have saved from what they have. want to see that because, like I said, they have so much, and they do it all themselves. They have taste tests, that, to tell you how hot it is, how sweet. They'll let you know everything. So if you're ever interested of buying that kind of seeds or pepper, you'll know ahead of time an idea of what you're getting yourself into. So here we have pumpkin pepper sweet. We have sugar rush peach. This is the hot. We have shishito pepper, sweet and mild. We have I don't know if I'm gonna say this right. Pecker Vessi. It's a tomato. I don't know if I said that right. Buena Molata. This is hot pepper. I love the hot stuff, man. I tell you right now, I'm gonna have a blast. This is Kellogg's Breakfast Tomato. These are names I never heard before, and guys, I'm telling you, go head over and you're gonna see some awesome stuff. White Wonder. The saying it right, Lucid Gem. You got the Kiddo Corn. And that's everything for them. Awesome. Thank you guys again. Really appreciate you guys. You guys do an awesome job. I am just learning how to save seeds. I did it last year, did pretty good. Gave a lot away, and this year I'm gonna do it again. And so that is something I encourage you guys to do too. If you guys are gardening, save your seeds. Save your seeds, because you never know. You never know. So much things is going out off the shelf and not coming back. And last thing you want is one of your favorite seeds, one of your vegetables that is not on the shelf because they're just absolute. White icicle radish. This is oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some of that in the ground. Butter crushed lettuce. We got Cherokee purple. We got black cherry. Oh, what is this? Crimson sweet watermelon. And it looks like it's more on the smaller side, which I love because we big watermelons, I think, if we don't eat them all right there, it'll go to waste or won't taste the same after another day. Sweet peppers, yes, and it's organic. Oh man, awesome. This here is Romanesco Italian broccoli. Wow. I think I'm gonna go ahead and plant some of these for my winter crops too. So guys, that's what I got. I'm gonna do some hot peppers right now and probably do some broccoli tomorrow. Spread out my time because I have so much on the farm to do. But we are gonna jump in and get some of these hot peppers down. And UT, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I'm definitely, once they come out and they sprout and I put them in the ground, I'm definitely going to show you the progress and keep you guys updated on it. and maybe even do like a taste test. See, tell me if it's good or not. Um, but definitely, I can't wait. But let's jump into seeding. Get some of these down. Awesome. Let me see. Alright guys, so we just wrapped things up. We have the peppers growing. We marked them. They're both marked. We already got some humidity getting in there. So we should, if everything goes well, we should see some kind of sprout within 7 to 10 days. If it takes longer, it can even reach up to 20 days for germination. But hopefully, with the heat mat, this being covered, giving it some humidity in there with warm temperatures, it should sprout hopefully no later than 10 days, but 20 days the most. I did grab my Amish tomatoes and I put them in the 4-inch pots, grow pots. They already sprouted, so I'll get those in there, try to make some room. Probably I might just go ahead and do the Brussels sprouts and the broccoli, get that ready, because I'm not sure. I gotta look in my black book, but I want to say probably next week or the week after they will be going outside. Of course, I gotta harden them off, but yeah, that's all I got for right now. I'll definitely come back to you and give you some more updates on what's going on, guys. Again, go head over to UT's channel, check them out, show them some support. I'm gonna leave their link on the bottom description, so you can just click on it and go right into their page, check out their videos, and yeah, show some support. Let them know that you come from K&A's Family Homestead, and yeah, give them a holler. They're definitely a fun channel to vibe with, especially if you're in the garden and you like plants, pepper plants. They definitely have a whole lot of varieties going on there. Definitely go show some support. All right, guys. Well, till next time, take care. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.
So say it with hope.